OM3 Long Life Water is a compact appliance-like device with just 3 buttons to treat various water amounts. Program 1, low, ozonates water in a glass. Program 2, medium, ozonates bottled water. Program 3, high, treats, produce or prepares cleaning water. Installation steps. You only need a nearby power outlet. OM3 needs no plumbing. Just fill a container and treat the water. Ozonated water loses potency in 3-4 hours, so use it promptly. Machine maintenance. Replace filter after 1-2 years of use. Simple design means infrequent servicing is needed. OM3 is safe, generating ozone internally without refills. Regular use of ozonated water boosts health and home sanitation.